Hello everyone, once again you're welcome to Custom Tool Venture. Okay, today we'll be looking at how to cut and sew this beautiful design that you see on your screen. Very simple. Let's get into it. You are welcome. God bless you.
Looking at this is what we are looking at to want to sew. Okay, so I just start from our standard skirt cutting. Okay, I want to believe we know how to cut our skirt, the front and the back panel of our skirt. So here the one I'm working with, I've already cut it. Okay, if today is your first time of coming across my video, I want to say you're highly welcome. God bless you. And for all my returning subscribers, don't mind me since all this day. You are welcome. I appreciate your coming back. Okay, so I've cut my normal skirt. So you can see the front is what we are going to work upon majorly. It's the front we are working upon majorly. Okay, so let's start. Let's go about. Let's see how we go. So we can keep our back panel here. We can keep our back panel, and then we are working on our front panel. So let's assume you have gotten some fabric. You have to be very sure of the front and the back. Okay, so this is my upper place. Okay, so I'll be working on it. So if you look at the design there, I have to cut my pattern for it. Okay, this is how the pattern is going to be. So how did I achieve this pattern here? How did I achieve this? Okay, I cut the big one. The measurement of the big one is 6. So it depends. If you want to be longer, it can make it 7, but I think 6 it should be okay. It's not supposed to be too long. And then I cut exactly this again. So what did I do? Measure half of this one and then cuff it. So let's go. Let's see exactly how I did it. So I have don't mind my pattern paper. Okay, so I need 6 of this. This is my 6. This is my 6. So I cross it. Okay, as much as possible, like I've always said, let's have separate scissors for paper. My second scissors is not very close to me here. I'll use that one. So this is my first one. So I'm supposed to cut the 2 of them like that. Make the second one to be 6 too. I don't want to join paper, though this is not the size I need. So how do I cut the upper one? How do I cut the upper one? Half for the 6, which is 3. Okay, so I just take it to this place, to the end here. Okay, but if you look at it, you see that it's a bit curved, so you can just give it a little shape. I just give it a little shape. Just a little shape, so that it's not just too straight like that. Okay, that was how I achieve it, so you can see. Then one other thing I want to say, which is this. So I've gotten my 2 patterns here. Okay, so bring your, by now you have to check your cloths. Okay, you want to check your cloths very well. There is another overlapping here. So measure your skirt. How long do you want your? I want to take about just 7, about 7, 6.5, because I'm still going to have half up. So 6.5 is enough for me. Okay, so now you measure this place, because this side is going to go. This side your pattern will be. So whatever you are cutting out of for this fabric, it has to cover this. Okay, it's going to be like this, going to be like this. So if you can see, my paper did not reach, but my fabric, I cut it. So what do? I take this pattern paper to fabric to cut the fabric out. So these are the fabrics, so that I don't waste time. These are the fabrics I've cut for it. So what is the next thing I'm saying? The one in the middle. I haven't gotten my middle now. Okay, I haven't gotten my middle, and then I make sure I get the middle of the down part too. Okay, this is the middle, so that my setting will be very okay. So what do? So what do? If you look at the design very well, it's a bit curve towards the down part of it. So just give it a little curve, a little shape, so it's not just too straight. The whole body is 5, so you can just make this one 4, and then we connect it up. Obvious. Let me make it 3.5, 3.5, so that the 3 will be the one 3.5. So just shape it down to give it a good shape. When you So before I cut further, let me get the measurement I need. Okay, so I think I need 23. Okay, this is 24. I need 24, so it's 24 I'm going to stop at. Okay, so what do I do for this one? I just join it, and when I join it, I'm going to join it to the main fabric. Then I now open it this way and give it a good press. It's going to come out very well. Before you cut your shape, get the measurement here like this. I deliberately cut 12 so that if it's excess, it's better than always making it smaller. So let's get to the machine. This is the one that is going here this way. I'll be joining it to it like this. And how do I join it? So I will stitch this one this way. Make sure you center, you get your middle right. Connect it this way. So you stitch it on it, then you open this way to iron. I've ironed it already, but just to explain again. Okay, that one goes like that. Don't turn it, just tape it this way. I haven't gotten your center, tape it this way. Okay, I haven't taped it this way. Then the upper one, leave about half an inch or 1 inch, so that it can come out well. So is this one you turn this way now, you sew it this way,